For the lamination machine, semi-automatic, firstly we connecting the power from here. The 1, 2, 3 and no. How to confirm this wire is correct or not? Just to come here. We come to the control page. We turn on the power. So it's becoming like this. Then we just wait for the system. So we just press this one, rolls up. If it's up, then it's correct. Secondly, we connect the air supply from here, from the back side. Okay. So you just put this table here. You just can clap on here, and this one just put on it, then lock the screw. Is fine. Okay, for this system, we just go inside. Firstly, we just turn on the temperature control, so make it get heat. For the parameter setting, we come to here. The length of the paper is 595. So we just put the number here, 595. Gasset, we put 5 mm. Gasset, it means the touching. So we just turn on the main motor, and it goes inside. So when it's come to here, see the paper is here now. So now we come to set the film. Now it's 20.5. Then we come to here, move this film. Or you can do like this way. Okay. After that, we just lock it.
然后充气呢？
Lock it. Okay. Now we keep moving. Like this. So now we are going to cross the film like this way. On top, here, under the big roll. So now we're just moving the paper. After the paper come out from these 2 rows, then we can load up the pressure. So we go for this one. Just press one time, then it will automatic load it. Then after that, we can start to put paper, and this side is coming. So we just connect the back side. Once the paper comes, it goes to this way. Once the paper cross this side, then we just press this one to make it on. This is inch for cutting. So once it comes, you can cut it manually, no problem. We can use the cutting for here and also here. Okay? So yeah. Then the machine is finished the installation. But remember one thing, you have to close this cover, otherwise it will not cutting.